Have you got any kills yet?
Yeah.
I've already got one. Make sure you can get the kill before you shoot.
Oh, for
Heads up, enemy UAV spotted. We've taken the lead. We've lost the lead.
Then when it says heads up, actually put your head up. But I just totally jumped into a tree. That's this one.
UAV spotted.
That Dean dude's pretty good. Where is he? Oh, that's easy. His name's Dean. Yep, he's up the top. Second from the top. It's actually on.
Is he on your
UAV
team?
online.
Nope.
There we go. This baseball. And that.
Enemy UAV spotted.
Yes!
Do you shoot a rocket launcher? We are, but we're just waiting for to make sure that we are going. We weren't sure if we were actually going. We all want to go. Yeah, we just finished this game.
I'm actually bringing a hat this time around.
Jane, you can wear one of my hats. I got a few.
Oh yeah, they're bringing a hat.
Heads up,
What's
enemy
that,
UAV
Sam?
spotted.
What's it? Oh, Brian, I'm gonna do the tracking device thing.
Oh, I'll go down there.
What?
Yep, I know where we're sitting. All three of us up the very back.
Yeah, because some people have to squish in and then do it.
No, yeah, I'm up the very back.
Yeah. Oh, playing us right up the back.
Jane, I've already got 5 kills. Where are you? Where are you going?
Because it's Talia, Jaden, me, you, the twins, 6, and there's 7 people. Mom, 3. Oh wait, Mom's not coming, is she?
Yeah, but not.
James. There's exactly 10 people coming. And there's only 7 seats.
Heads up,
James
enemy
might
UAV
not
spotted.
Not all, Mum.
Package incoming.
So the anyway, we
UAV
still have
online.
like to talk to boss. Jaden, you should get the navigation thing.
I'll see if Jaden's got it.
Enemy UAV spotted.
I'm getting it ready. What is it?
500.
Then what is it? Let me
You
get.
got 500? You did.
It's in
Yeah, I
navigation.
know, I did 2 once. Not sure how though.
No way. I feel like 50 times.
Hey Jaden, I got the dude who killed you.
Grandmother from St. Mary's to Sarah. And if I remember minutes studies,
Yeah,
27 minutes.
thought so. They're like a massive team coming through. Look at defeated.
Defeated.
And,
Look where I was, 8 kills.
and it's on me.
Is it? Oh, Jaden.